because you too fits where the poo fits.
But that doing the big on I do working you.
You didn't forget, did you? Valentine's Day, our first anniversary, Emma. Oh.
Yeah.
So romantic.
Anything for you.
Yes.
I'm Egyptian.
Oh, Donald, will you read me a poem? A poem with
Lots of spaghetti.
You are rejected because you are a red ass.
The piece of shit! I wanna drive you off a cliff, watch you crash into a ravine. For the things you did to me, you stupid god!
How come you never me? Rub my see, would you? I just wanted to tell you, I think fish are gross. Ew!
Objection!
Damn it, now you pissed me off.
Say, Daisy, do you want to roll?
No.